Welcome back. Happy Thursday. How are y'all doing? Whoa. Got my little mod thing open. It definitely has my voice, and I'm not down to hear that. Thank you. Thank you, Echo Room. But like, nah. Ugh, ads again. Damn it. Why do ads do like this? They always do. Sexy echo. Oh yeah. I like to shout in stairwells made of concrete. Just because I love to hear the sound of my own voice. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to see you again. Yeah, it is a significantly chiller day. So, for those of you that are in here, oh, does mobile get more ads? That's a good question. For those of you who are in here, a bunch of y'all had questions for me yesterday. I wasn't able to get to all of them, so feel free to enter them in the chat. And if chat's going crazy or you just want to make sure I see them, do exclamation point questions. I got a little Google Doc that I have ready so that I can answer all your questions. Because I honestly didn't expect to have any questions yesterday. So it was an interesting moment in my life. You know when you're like, no, I can't teach anything, and then y'all are like, you taught me something. And I was like, but I don't know anything. Impossible. Effect of 100 devs, indeed. Yeah, and nothing wrong with that. Feel free to ask all the questions you want. I wrote some down. I looked back at the stream. I wrote some down. I'm ready for you, though. I'm glad to hear that, Melindon. Hey, Jetsuko, what's up? Hey, Rossi, what's up? How's your health been lately? So, I normally string for, you know, I just realized. So my brother steals my nice chair during the day because he works and I don't. But when he's done with work, I steal it back. I didn't take it back. So let me like go get my nice chair. I will be right back. Enjoy this parrot because like, yes. Back in the chair is, can you see it now? It's like that. It actually has a back. Oh, my back has hurt so much today sitting in that shit chair. It's fine. It's fine. Got a good update? I'm so here. I was gonna say, I'm so here to good that. I'm so good. It's so good to hear that. I don't apologize. English is my native language, but also like it kind of like sucks. So. Your cat's name is Monkey? That's pretty bomb. I was enjoying the parrot batting at the screen. Hey, Court Dog, thanks for the follow. Now there aren't so many follows, so I can actually say thank you. Girl, that's teaching English, and it's your native language, and you still suck at it, lol. Yeah, I feel like the more languages I learn, the worse I get at English. Is Twitch always this bad? I don't know, because I never watch my stream with ads, you know. But I do hear people getting a lot of ads, and unfortunately it's not something I can control. I wish it was. I don't want y'all getting ads, especially like a fuck ton of them like you seem to. But like, if I can figure out how to turn that off, I will. There's a lot I need to learn though, still on Twitch. Again, y'all, you have any questions for me? Put it in the chat or ! Questions. There's a Google Forms where I will see them. Do like Leon, take a break and push some ads. Yeah, yes. Yes. But I have to get the timing right. I think it's like every like 25 minutes. So maybe around the 25-minute mark, y'all be like, yo, 25 minutes, run ads. Use your Prime sub to Leon's channel so you never realize it can get so bad. Right. Yeah. Hey, Silent Spy. What's my favorite style of hat? A beanie? I don't know. Can I please show you how to commit in the past? Fedora? Yeah, so, Melinden, y'all are doing Git tonight, and I can show you that today. I was going to show you on Monday. On Monday, I'm planning on going through, like, my whole process and pushing my, like, Codewars problems up to GitHub, and then also committing them in the past, you know? So I can do that today, but I don't know how much context y'all have for Git, so I don't know. Right, Lady Nazila, but sometimes they just run regardless. They're embedded ads, those can't be skipped. The other kind can be, but those help the broadcaster more. So I can't change the embedded ads at all, right? Or it can. I had slippers. Where did my slippers go? I don't know. My feet are gonna get cold. My God. Which is a superior, smooth peanut butter or crunchy? Also, can I help you with your Eloquent JavaScript homework? All right. Two things there. Crunchy. I'm a texture person. Play so some of the others don't appear. Okay, 25 minutes. We'll do some of it. Smooth enough to pour. Oh. regarding Eloquent JS, you remember yesterday when I said that I half-assed Leon's class? I'll be honest with you. Shh, can you keep a secret? I never did the Eloquent JavaScript homework. Don't at me. But also, like, I probably should go back and do it, because that's probably why I struggled so much, honestly, because I just didn't do the homework because I had no motivation. So I can try, but, and you're in the stream team? Shh, Leon doesn't know I didn't do my homework. Actually, Leon does. I said it on stream yesterday. My dad is calling me. Glad you like the randomness. Leon knows it all. Am I employed as a developer currently? Sort of. So I have a 10-hour-a-week job where I stream, actually. Not this stream, but I stream a VS Code extension, basically. And it's coding there. So kind of. The homework really helps solidify the concepts. And I could see that. Hey, thanks for the follow, Aaron. I could see that. Did I do it though? No. Should you? Probably. Okay. Y'all had some questions yesterday. One of them I saw that I laughed at. Didn't see it while I was streaming. Do people in Utah say y'all a lot? No. I say y'all because it is more inclusive than you guys, which is what I say a lot of other times. But I had a friend from Texas who said y'all, and I was like, you know what? We don't have like that word in English. We need like y'all or you guys or peeps, you know? We need a word, but we don't have one. So I say y'all. Yins? Did I say right? Yins or yins? How do you use it? Use it in a sentence for me. Hey, Sang, thanks for the follow. What are yins doing? Yins? I like y'all better. You lived in 7 years in Nashville and started to pick up the accent words, so you knew it was time to move. Nice. Yins are wildin'. The wildin' thing is something I wanted to say yesterday, but I didn't actually know how to say it. I thought it was Wylin. W-I-L-I-N. That was it, so. You struggle so bad with teaching English in China with this, bro. Because you want to say y'all because you're from South Carolina, so it's natural to you, but not correct English. Okay. What is correct English, though, you know? If it comes to spoken English, there is no correct English. If it's written, there is. That's what my, English major sister told me. I think both pronunciations work for Wilden. Academic English. Y'all is correct to me. Vernacular matters, yeah. Do I call a Coke a pop, a soft drink, or a soda? Soda. I think I've got a pretty, California accent, honestly. Okay. My dad, his internet is Google Fiber, and he's calling me and being like, Google Fiber isn't letting me get the internet back up, and apparently I gave them the wrong account number even though it was literally on the bill, so whatever, it's fine, whatever. Coffee? You never ever thought of hey guys as saying hey to only to men. If it was, it would be saying hey men all butch well, yeah, but it is saying guys, and guys is referring to men. So I don't say it referring to men. I've definitely gone up to a group of women and been like, hey guys, but I just want to be more inclusive, you know. So, one thing I've learned from Leon is not assuming people's gender, saying they instead of he or she, and I think that's really important. I never even thought about it before. Your father-in-law is from Michigan and he drinks coffee? Coffee. Coffee. Like that? Coffee? She's a New Yorker. Have some coffee at the park. I don't know. Is that what they sound like? Coffee. All right. We got a question. Again, if you want me to answer your questions, do exclamation point questions. Can I share my networking journey? Yeah, so when Leon first said to network, like I did it, like went hard. Didn't do the homework or anything, but I went hard on networking. I got onto Lunch Club. I did like 2 meetings a week for months, like 6 months straight. Hey, Agent M. And then about last May I stopped, but then I didn't do anything with networking. And then when I started my job search, I would look for a job. I would look at the people that worked at the company, and then I would message them on LinkedIn and be like, yo, you want to chat about some stuff or something? And that's how I ended up networking in the end. You've said Mr. Mail Customer once, and you quickly added stir at the end of it, making it sound like you said Mr. Brilliant. You teach a CS class, and one of the big things people always say when teaching a class with girls in it, to never to refer to the class as guys, as it can push them away from wanting to be in CS. As women, you'll never understand, but you do try to keep away from hey guys for that reason. Same. Like, if someone said that to me, no big deal, but like, I don't know. Did I do any homework? I did. I just half-assed it. Like, I like did half of it and then I stopped, so. Daddy Anki, what's up? Thanks for the gifted subs yesterday. I did a lot of I did the homework pretty heavily at the beginning. When it hit like JavaScript and backend, bruh. I'm much better at front end. Hello, Candy. Wish you could have gifted 1 trillion, but the way your bank account was set up, no big deal. Thank you for gifting what you did. It's much appreciated. You got a lot of like green up in here. Do I prefer DC or Marvel or no preference? I don't really know DC, so probably Marvel, but bro, Marvel, oh my god, it's just so Marvel, and it's just a lot, and it just, I'm just tired of it, so. You're behind in your homework too. You stopped at JavaScript because you're quite familiar with it already. That's nice. Rossi says they've been doing well, keeping with the Codewars GitHub, but you can't get Anki going. Okay, Anki, I did really good at that at the beginning. Then I didn't do it for like 5 months. And then I started doing it when I started like looking for a job, and I stopped doing it. And then yesterday, y'all were like, do some Codewars. And I was like, oh shit, like I haven't been studying Anki. I don't even remember what the methods are. Oh my god. So I like did a little Anki yesterday. So don't worry, you'll be pushing to full stack all in good time. You'd recommend serverless when the time comes. It's less painful. Alright. You got super busy as JavaScript hit, so you're banking on enjoying coding overall to get through it. Nice. Me too. Anki's such a struggle. It takes so much time. You're working on it. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Don't at me like that, Daddy Anki. We know that you love the Anki, baby. What the fuck is an Anki? It's a algorithmic flashcard program on the computer. Daddy Anki, do you use Anki? I know you did at one point, as did I. Maybe we'll just leave it at that. Again, questions, exclamation point questions. You've opened it before. Me too, look at us. Progress. It's a very painful dance for daily procrastination. If you go to the bathroom, you got time to Anki. While you're on the toilet, pull up your phone and be like, all right, how do I solve this coding challenge? What is map? Is it an array method? What does it do? Does it create a new array? Hey, Dev, thanks for a new follow. And then as you flush the toilet, you can say like 1 or 2 days or whatever. Is your TikTok surfing time? Anki on the toilet's effective use of time. Well, you can make him on the toilet too, right? Do I have any job prospects coming up? No, because I got burned out. I got my 10 hours a week job, and then I was like, depression, and then I stopped. So I'm going to try and do it in the future, but that's how I feel about it right now. Heavy sigh. Heavy sigh. Bathroom time is Duolingo time. Nice. Got to keep that streak or something. How did I get my 10-hour job? Networking. So I went to a women in tech meetup, met a lady. Lady was like, I'll keep an eye out for you. And then like a week later, she's like, yo, you should like message this company. They're hiring for a senior Ruby dev. And I was like, I do not think I'm qualified for that position, as I do not know Ruby and I'm not a senior. And she's like, try anyway. So I messaged someone at the company and I was like, yo, can we talk about this? And then in our chat, she was like, yeah, so you're like not a senior dev and you're not a Ruby dev. So like, And I was like, yeah, that's what I was thinking. And she's like, but like, we'll keep in touch. And then like a week later, I didn't think anything was going to go with like along with that or like further. She messaged me. She's like, so like, would you be interested in like a DevRel like contractor position, like developer relations? And I was like, fuck yeah, I would. And so that's where we are. It is strong numbers today. A lot of smaller companies will find a spot for you if they like you enough. And like, to be fair, like they didn't have that position before they talked to me. They were just like, wow, we need like publicity for our VS Code extension, and this person taps into the dev community. And I'm like, yeah. How many days is it? It's not any amount of days. You know, it's kind of what I do. I don't know, like when I do it. Like after y'all go to Leon's stream, I'm going to be doing some of it because I have to figure out how to use a content management system, and I don't know how to do it, so that's what we're going to do. So yeah. All right, y'all. This is the second time my dad has called. Let me answer him really quick because he's going to be haranguing on me. So I'll be right back. All right. Oops, let's chatting again. I didn't know what to tell him. I was like, yeah, I'm busy doing a coding thing, and because he doesn't know what streaming is. You finished your project? Props, Dark Synergy? Sure. 5 a.m.? Fuck, that's quite early. Yikes. And I don't even know if he'd get like an internet broadcast. Like, I don't even know if he's even there. Y'all, take care of yourselves. I've got a radio show. I talk on the radio to some people, but it's on the computer. Hey, 3, thanks for the follow. Yeah, no problem, lady. Thanks for hanging out. What's the highest level on Codewars that I've finished attempted? 7. I've attempted 6. Did not. No. didn't work out for me, but TV is a good way to say it. But like I did try. 7 is what I've completed. Speaking of, and the person who told you to just go for it, what was your initial thought and what made you just go for it? Nothing to lose. I mean, like, I had heard of other people getting senior jobs, and I was like, I don't think this is going to work out for me, but I don't see any problem with networking. Check my email. Hey, Albert. You got promoted to 5Q? Damn, Orasi. Damn. Hot damn. Hey, Finite. Welcome. Happy Thursday to you, too. Such a flex. This arm. This arm says 5Q on it. That's Orasi. Hey, Olu, thanks for the follow. Alright, who's texting? Wait. You know what? Actually, that was an angry said thing, but that was, Dark Synergy. I did see your mail. Let me open it really quick. Okay, wait a second. Let me grab this over here. Oh, you can't even see it, JK. I'm on big face, so. Gmail. You're in the first cohort, right? To lower Q. Alright, let's see it. You have it hosted, Dark Synergy? Alright, let's look at Dark Synergy's thingamajigger. App. To-do project. Ooh. From Docker. Damn, I don't even know what that is. I kind of want to, though. Can add a board, list the boards, see the information by entering it, and add a list to the board. Wow. This is what it looks like. It looks fresh as hell. Yes, go slow. Yeah, they are. No way I would have had this many viewers otherwise. Appreciate y'all for being here. This looks great. Oh, hey, this looks like Trello. Kind of. Cool. Oh my god, this is so nice. How... Talent. Well, someday I'm gonna get to like this level. React. And I'm gonna look more into this. But yeah, it's wild, isn't it, Bull? It is. It's a beautiful app. Props. Everyone do some claps for Dark Synergy. Oh, I think it's like a cut on my finger. That's good. Alright, should we do some Codewars? Thanks for sharing. The jump from 7 to 6 is fun. Big leap in terms of code logic. Oh, it's your bootcamp ending project. Wow. Hey, Salesforce, thanks for the follow. Probably should turn the little sounds back on so I don't miss it. Maybe. Alright. It's the academic. Why did I put an S there? Years end, fateful moment of your school report. The averages must be calculated. All the students come up to you and entreat you. Wow, that's a fancy word. To calculate their average for them. Easy, you just need to write a script. It's easy. MBD. Ooh, we drankin' up in here. Thanks, Scoopin'. Frank. Alright. That's great, John. Rules go as follows. Don't tell me how to do it until I'm like, I don't know how to do it. Okay? Oh, wait. Did y'all get ads already? We're already 25 minutes in. Should I run? I don't know. We're not on break. We probably should have been on break at this point, and I never started our timer. Maybe we'll do a little ad break so you don't get it later. where y'all can look at this, and if you want to try and solve it, you can. And then when you get back from your ads, you say, hey, Rufio, we're back from the ads, and then we'll do it. How about that? How about that? I have way too many things open. My God, it's insane. Wow, 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 wow. Oh yeah, totally can. Sorry. Yes, just look at it and solve it. Ad breaks are ruthless. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. I love puns. Let's see if we can run an ad so it doesn't interrupt us later and be a pain in the ass. Alright, let's run ads real quick. Y'all look at this, try and solve it, then we'll go through it together. And hopefully this will take care of our dear ad problem. It says that the ads are disabled for 27 minutes, so it better do that. It better. That's me, go slow. I get like sniffly on camera, and my nose gets itchy. Why? Is it something about like staring into a bright light? What do you think? We have like 25 seconds left of ads, I hope. Fucking ads. Fucking ads. Wrinkle nose. Okay, we're almost done, I think. Are y'all back? Are the ads done? Let me know if they are, please. I want us all to be together and not miss stuff. They must not be over, huh? Saw pretend will never be back. Great. Alvy. Alvy. Okay. We have infinite time to solve it. Brilliant. Pretty nice, huh, Yuri? Okay, y'all. Now that I assume most of you are back from ads, let's work on this. Hey, hello, hello? Is that how you say it? Hello? I like it. I feel like my voice is going up. Okay. We need to write a script where we return the average of the... I'm pretty good, Yuri. How are you? The given array rounded down to its nearest integer. Right. I mean, generally people don't think it's a problem when you don't see the ads, but like I see what you're saying. I don't know when the ads are, it's my problem. And then people are like, sorry, you have ads right now, and it's confusing. So I do have to click the tomato. Thank you. Thank you. We're going. Thank you. You good? Just want to pop in real quick before heading to bed. Thanks for popping in. I always appreciate seeing you. Alright, let's make a new folder. Coding Challenge 2022 331. App.js. College tomorrow. Nice. That is wrong. Didn't I copy something else? Motherfucker. Hello? Hello? Okay. Great. Also, hey Maltese, to do what I just did, Control / Someone asked that yesterday as well. It's quite nice. All right. Full prep. Let's go. Again, prep means parameters, like what are the edge cases. R means return. What are you trying to get out of it? E equals examples. P is pseudocode. Okay. So it says that array will never be empty. This is really large, isn't it? Then what else? Averages must be calculated. All the students come to you. What? Why is that important information? So will it always be nums as elements? What else? Won't be empty. Probably will always be numbers. I think that's about it. Then we got our result, which we want average of array rounded down. Cool. E. Ooh, thank you, Aaron. See you, Yuri. Okay, another question y'all had yesterday. What does it mean when I write this? What should we call it? Sum round down. What does it mean when I do this? This should be a Codewars clan, I think. Shit, did I just go again? If they did, I'm gonna be pissed. Because it just did like a little notification thing. So, they did? Fuck us. We just did like double ads for nothing. No ads? Oh, good. I'm so glad. Thank God. Okay. Alright. So, first of all, I'm going to just fill this in. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will be, well, 4.1. How about that? 2.2. So that would be 7, 8, 9, 10.3. So, when you have this, this is what the equivalent of, I think, what y'all are doing right now. This is what you would put at the beginning. Now this just allows it to make a console log where you grab the input array, but also the answer you want out of it. And then when you try and get the answer from the array, it will put them side by side. And if they're not the same, then damn, you messed up. So that's why I do it this way. But this is the equivalent. So we're just gonna copy this a couple times, and we could do 11.5 and 23, 3, and 4.1. Get them real creative. 11. Okay, I have to count in my head unless y'all do it faster. 11 plus 23 is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 44, 41.6. I do count with my fingers if you're wondering. Yes. I'm doing the average. Damn, you're right. Oh my god. Shit. I can't remember how to do the average. Math? Thank you. That is a huge... Yeah, okay, so I'm doing everything wrong. Surprise. Isn't that just where... But doesn't reduce do, like, the sum? Add them all up and divide by the number of items. Okay. I'm so glad I have y'all here because I definitely was not gonna get the right answer for this. So okay, we'll do that. We'll do reduce, and then we'll divide it by the length. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick note of that. Reduce, divide by length. Okay, now we need to, y'all, okay, these last two, what are the answers for here and here? And then I will do this one. How about we just put 1 and 25.6. 26.6 divided by 2, right? 13.3? I think. So this is 10.3 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I gotta pull up a calculator. I can't do that in my head. I'm so shit at math. This is 13, this second line? Oh, you know, you're right, it is, because you round down, bro. What did I do without you? So this would round down to... Hey, Dom. Return the average of the given array rounded down to its nearest integer. Wait, which would this one be? Would this one be 2 or 3? Thanks for the follow, Don. 2. Wow. So, maybe another question you have. Do coders need to be good at math? Probably, but I'm not. Woof. Yay us. Okay, and this one? It was like 43, right? I think I saw y'all say that. 43? I'm going to say yes for now. Alright, pseudocode. We kind of did that, but we're going to make a... okay, JK. Make a function that takes in an array. We're going to make that function sum, round down, array, blah. Okay, don't give me the answers yet, but thank you. I probably would not have gotten that. I forgot I'm at that floor. The last one should be 10? Oh, wow. Thank you. So then we're going to reduce our array. Then we're going to divide our array by length, and also math.floor that shit. Return. Return. Hey, Chronic Puff. I think we're supposed to be rounding down, Nate, but I'm not sure, honestly. I know it does, but I was told we had to like round down or something. So. Okay. So we're gonna say array.reduce. Accumulator. Current value. Accumulator plus our current value. And then we are going to... We could probably make this one line. For now, we're not going to because... Nah. This may be right. This also could be very wrong. And that would be okay. Yeah? Maybe. Probably not. It's okay. It's okay if we're wrong. Let's see. This is run.js, by the way. Blood, we're doing Codewars for the first bit and questions. And then after a bunch of people leave to the 100 dev stream, we're going to be doing apostrophe. Why did I divide by 2? Wait a second. Apostrophe CMS. Why didn't I have to divide by 2? Wait. A length. Oh my god. Thank you. What? Thank you. Great. Thank you. She would have failed, so thank you. Okay. Fuck, we did something wrong. What did we do wrong? So we wanted to reduce our array. Everything should be added up. Then we math.floor, which makes it go down to round down. And then we have our array, which we divide by its length. No, Batman. Oh, thank you, Alprin. I did this yesterday. Y'all remember when I did this yesterday? Had this exact same problem, sort of, kind of. Return new array. My God. My God. I always forget about the variable thing. I always do. Always. Yeah, the new array is just a variable. Alright, let's walk through this one more time. Thank you. That was a team effort. I don't know that I would have done that by myself. Fast. Okay. Again, this would probably be one line. We're going to leave it this way for now. We have a function where we're apparently averaging a bunch of kids' grades for some reason. Who gave us this task? I don't know. Kids can average their own grades for all I care. We have a function where it takes an array. Then we have a new variable, because if we don't, this will not work, as we just found out, where we set it equal to the given array, the given parameter. Hey, COVID. Hey, COVID. Things are following us everywhere. So we take the new array, we set it equal to the given array, where we reduce it and use the accumulator and the current value. For those of you who don't know how reduce works, which is probably none of you, but I always forget, so let's run through it. Accumulator and current value are like, if we have 1 and 25, the accumulator is 1, 25 is the current value. You add them, 26. That's the new accumulator. The new current value is 6. No, is nothing, but would be the next number, for example. It's not anything in this case because I picked a bad one, but that's how that works. Reduce has been very, very confusing for me. Then we have math.floor, which rounds it down because that's what we got to do. And we get our new variable, the new array, and we divide it by the amount of all of the, like, the number of elements in the array. What's a factory go slow? Shit, do I not know? What would you name it, John? And we have to return it, or else it will just do this and it won't tell us what's up. Any questions? Wow, 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 we are amazing. Did you know? Did you know we're amazing? Some marks? Wait, why some marks? Alright. Grab this motherfucker. Grab this motherfucker. Oops, sorry. Hello? Train. Total. Because it's not an array. Oh, you right. Thank you. Forgot. Thank you. And there's marks right here. Cool. Get average. Get average. How do they spell it? Average. Cool. We can do the total thing. Total. Cool. English is hard. Yeah, that was me high-fiving myself. High five. Okay, but actually, y'all, you have a hard time with Codewars. Me too. The only way that I got that on the first try was because y'all are like, no, you gotta do this and this and this. I wouldn't have come up with that myself, but we are learning. I'm very grateful for your help. But just, Codewars are hard. That's what I have to say. In my humble opinion. Oh my god, I didn't even hear it! Oh, rip. That was so good. Thanks for redeeming that. Wow. We're so happy with this. Ouch. My neck. So, I went to Oregon Curtis's stream today. They showed me this sneaky that we're doing here, where you go through the kata and you can star them and bookmark them for further use. Holy shit. Yeah, so I got 2 sounds alerts. One's wow from the pitch meetings on YouTube. The second one is bed rot, got work. So it's our favorite cockatoo. So you know you love our favorite cockatoo. Gotcha the cockatoo. I haven't even showed you the best video. I haven't even done that. It's not break time yet. So, any other questions so far? Also, exclamation point questions. If you definitely want me to see them. Let me check. No more extra questions. Good. Drank. All right. Drank. How do I decide the parameters? You couldn't hear it? Really? Hold up. I didn't hear it either, but I just thought it was me. I'm gonna redeem it. See if it makes noise.
Wow.
There you go. I have the volume pretty loud just because, or pretty quiet because I don't want the music to be too loud. So maybe I'll change it on Spotify instead. Tell me how loud the music is right now, y'all. Too loud, softer, louder. And that way you can actually hear like wow. Okay. All right, we'll go with that for now. Hopefully that works out for us. Moderate. It's moderately high, like it should be lower. Also, Babab, congrats on the shirt yesterday. Gotta flex it around town. Okay, I'll turn it down a little bit. How about now? Hey, Scottish things. Scottish beans, love it. Thanks for the follow. Hold up. You know what else I'm gonna do? I turned off our notification sounds yesterday because I didn't want to just get bling, you know? But we're not having bling happen today, so maybe we should turn it back on, yeah? Yeah, I'm glad. I mean, Leanne was just like, we got some shirts to give out. And I was like, sweet, I don't have shirts to give out. But I'm glad you do. How do I turn the sound back up? I forget. How did I do it in the first place? I don't remember. Sus? Oh shit, I forgot how to do it. Oh my god. Hey, Digi. Thanks for letting us use that GIF. What did y'all do today? We are doing Codewars and answering questions and shit. And then we're gonna look at a CMS. Digizard? How do I turn the sound back on? Bro, if any of y'all remember, let me know. CMS means a content management system, like WordPress, for example. Or like if you have like a blog or something, like they often use content management systems. Wait, what do you mean, Alvy? You're playing Pokemon Showdown, practicing the current VGC battle format. Okay, I know absolutely nothing about Pokemon Showdown or the VGC battle format. Can you tell me more about it? Also, if y'all want to know what the commands are. I tried to put it in the panels under the video, couldn't figure out how to do it, but if you go to my About tab in my channel, you can see all the chat commands. I don't want to start another one of these yet. Maybe we'll like look at it because we're about to be on a break, but maybe we'll, oh, you know, that's what you're talking about with the fake binary. It literally says on the screen. Good for me. Love it. Given a string of digits, you should replace any digit below 5 with 0 and any digit 5 and above with 1. Ooh, love this. Love this for us. I want to do it. Oh, I tried to in the past. You can see the train again. Yeah, so the VS Code tells you my theme and all my extensions. VGC is the official format Nintendo and all that runs. Okay, and Pokemon Showdown is a fan-made battle simulator. Oh, so you can play without the games, which means you can play and practice without having to do all the breeding and training first. Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh. So is it like you only go in there, or do you also do the original one? I never really got into Pokemon. The AppMap extension is actually the one I do work for. But the AppMap extension basically, you know how with front end you have all the stuff you see, you know, you change a color, you can see the immediate change. Backend doesn't have that benefit. You can't see shit. It's great. Love it for me. I'm a very visual person. But AppMap basically goes through and it maps out like the paths and whatnot that the backend takes so that you can see it. That's what that does. You play the games on Switch too. It's just easier to figure out the team on Showdown first and then build the team in the actual game once you're happy with it. Cool. How come like, okay, Twitter, Twitch, similar. You type it out in the URL. Like I go to Twitter when I try to go to Twitch. Switch, Twitch. Why does everything have very similar names? So similar. So wow. All right. We're gonna start this, and then we'll take a break when it's break time. Okay. Last time I tried to do it, oh my god, look, I did the fuck out of this. Okay, you want to see my prep for the last time I did this? Holy shit, self. Okay. Wait a second, I'm confused. Okay, yeah, I don't know why there's this weird ass gap. I think that was something I tried and it didn't work. But I had the parameters where I said it would always be given a string of digits. They will always be a string and not numbers. Any digit under 5 will be 0. Any digit over 5 will be 1. And you return the string. The results will be like 0, 1, 0, and something like that. Do I do an everyday stream? No, I go Mondays and Thursdays. Yesterday was a special case that I went on a Wednesday. Okay. Break time, y'all. We will be pausing doing shit for like 5 minutes. Yesterday was a special case. Leanne just wanted me to go on Wednesday, but I still have Thursday streams, so yeah, Mondays and Thursdays. I can't hear the music at all. Replace? Alright, Magic. We're not doing it yet, we're taking a break. But we will see. But you can see how like exhaustive the first time I did the prep, but we're just gonna go down here for future prep. Okay, we take a break. Everyone ready to look at your wall? We're gonna do it at 4 minutes. I use Power Palm. It's on the Microsoft Store, and it goes 25 minutes, then 4 times, and the long break is a half an hour after 4 sessions. All right. Let's look away from the screen since I missed it at 3:50 for 20 seconds, okay? Give our eyeballs a break. And turn away. Hey door, hey. Hey wall. Hey ceiling. Hey light. I feel like I'm in a book. Like there's a book that says like Goodnight Moon. It's like, hi door. Hi mittens on the floor. Something like that. I don't know. Haven't read that for a long time. Hey bear on a chair. I think that was 20 seconds. Maybe. I can't remember what number we started at, but you can look back. Hey, non-average gamer, thanks for the follow. If I missed anyone's follows, thank you for following. Yeah, this is Power Palm. And it's cut off a little bit here. So you can pause it and you can stop it and you can take a forcible... this just means let's go work, I guess. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Sorry, y'all pumped for the 100 dev stream. I'm thinking we're gonna try... I did not study CS. I studied philosophy and Spanish. I'm thinking we're gonna try, for those of you who are in the 100 devs community, I generally do not do Monday and Thursday Codewars problems. I generally just stream my project, but I can do that if you want me to, and like in addition to what we're doing. Yeah, it should be great, huh? You can try this. It's good. First stream of 100 devs. Nice, nice, nice. I'm thinking, so when you raid, it doesn't end your raid. So whoever wants to go, I think we'll do a raid. Then I'll send everyone over, but I'll stay in my stream, and whoever wants to stay in my stream can stay in my stream, and then we'll work on some other coding stuff. That way everyone gets to class. No hablo muy bien. Es una pena porque he estudiado el español y mi español es feo. Intro to Git tonight. Get it! And on Monday I can show you my tricksy tricks with Git and pushing Codewars up to GitHub. Hey Born Code, what's up? Gracias, non-average gamer. Gracias. Necesito más práctica. Looking forward to it. Glad to hear it. We're not doing Spanish today. I just said that I majored in Spanish and philosophy in college, and non-average gamer was testing me. Testing. Testing. Majored in English, fight you. Okay. Now, I actually just majored in Spanish because they were like, you only need 8 more classes to major in this. And I was like, okay. And so I did. My first major was philosophy. I know that we're done with the break, but I need to put eye drops in, y'all. My eyes are... Wow. But see, now that I turned up the sound, that was fucking loud, wasn't it? Maybe I'll put it sound up halfway, because that's very, very, very loud. Well, that's great, Born Code. My sister majored in English. I believe you. Okay, sorry. Gotta do some eye drops. My eyeballs hurt. And I do eye drops for those of y'all who don't know, because I got eye surgery in January. Also why I squint, because my eyesight is not all the way better. Seriously, welcome. Welcome. Okay, let's go do another code challenge. Yee. Okay. All right. I'm gonna copy this. Yup. And then they use fake bin. Fake Ben. Hello? Hello? I miss a G. So what would I say my battling average for Codewars is? You think you're good for... Also, I didn't see who just followed, but thank you for following. I wasn't looking up. You think you're good for 1 out of 5 or 6, and that's kata 8. Okay. So, I don't know. I don't know a ton about Codewars, I'll be honest with you. But I kid you not. The first year I did Codewars, did a bunch of them, I probably got like 5 of those. Ever. Like, I suck at Codewars, yo. And then around the, like, a year of doing them, I, like, got one, and I was like, oh my god, I'm amazing! You know? Here it is. Yeah, just be patient with yourself. You're probably better than I am at this point. Sometimes we all have different strengths. Mine is not this one. I was so nervous doing this on like a big ass stream yesterday because I suck at it, but it was good. It's good because y'all are so helpful. You're so helpful. Ad, fuck. Okay. A year for it to switch on. Yeah, same. We're doing pretty good. We got an ad, so we're gonna wait till the ad is over for whoever has an ad. But this is our second one. We're on 8Q. Algo expert. Wow. Ad's over? Cool. Great. Is it over for everyone else? Great. Let's go. Given a string of digits, you should replace any digit below 5 with a 0 and any digit 5 and above with a 1. Return the resulting string. It will never be an empty string. Alright. Parameters. Never an empty string. Always digits. Never empty string. Hold up. Why did they say an empty string? Anyway. Araz, I don't think Araz is a mod. Araz has just helped me a ton during my whole time. Hey, Bishama, thanks for the follow. Damn, I need to figure out how to turn the notification sound on again. I don't remember how I turned it off. Okay. It's never a string, even though that was very confusing. It was very confusing. We're only going to have numbers. Special characters? Probably not. Hold up. It's a string of digits? Motherfucker. So do we take in numbers? Huh. Never knew that. Oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna write this for myself. It is a string of digits. Confusing. Hello? Silly string. Hell yeah. Right. Whenever I think of strings, I think of words. Okay. The result is a bunch of zeros and ones. Examples. What was the thing that it was called? Fake bin. Heroes and ones. Nice. Struggling with binary trees. Well, I don't even know what that is. So it's not like that, Born. Apparently it's like a string of numbers, which is a little confusing, but alright. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. And that should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Zero, 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 1, 1, 1. And it has to be a string because it wants you to return a string. The link for this one? Shit, I always forget. Here we go. Wait a second. Here we go. All right, don't tell me how to do it yet. Let me struggle just a baby bit. Okay. Sexy. Hell yeah. Oh god, never mind. I erased it. Let's do that one. Girl, I couldn't tell you how to do if you paid me. Retweet me. Couldn't do this without y'all here. That's the honest truth. That's what that should be. Does this make sense, the string of numbers shit? Then let's do 5, 6, 2, 6. And by 6, I mean 5. Curious. So that would be 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, we got our examples. And didn't do a comma. So again, going through this is basically just what you're calling, and this is the number it's supposed to be. Did someone just follow? Thank you for following. Damn, I need to do it. Thanks, DriveNet, for following. Just here to avoid doing your own homework. Gotta do it. What's the coding war? A coding game? No, it's from the website Codewars. I don't know if I still have it copied. This is the one we're doing, Quinn. This is just the number we want. This is what we're given. This is the function, and this is just saying, show it to us. Hey, DriveNet, no problem. No problem. Happy to have you here now. Blood, thanks for the subscribe. Silence by, don't tell me how to do it yet. Not yet. Shh, don't tell me yet. I gotta struggle first. You have to see me cry first. That was my silent tears. Make an array that takes in a string. I'm gonna do that really quick. Function fake bin string. Crocodile tears. You're not wrong. Then we want to, let's think about how we're going to do this. So hey, Nonchalant, thanks for following. I like the username. Again, if I'm looking away and I don't see that you're following, thank you. And I'm sorry for not figuring out how to turn the sound back on to the... It's fine. I'll figure it out eventually. Okay, so we're going to split into array. Then we are going to... I do not have a full-time job, just a 10-hour-week job. I do know split and join methods, I do. We're going to split it into an array. Then we are going to say, we could do let's do map. Map through array and, hey, Millie, thanks for the subscription. Bless. Thanks, John. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, map through the array and do if then. If the element is below 5, we would reset it. How do we reset it? We would reset it. We did this yesterday, something like that. Return 0, thank you. Join 0? Oh. Can you do join yet? But I want to insert 0. We don't want to return it immediately. Or we would just set it equal to, maybe. Okay. Turn it into 0. If the element is above 5, turn it into 1. Okay. Then we're going to join and return that string. You don't return it? I thought you always had to return it. There's some weird whistling music happening over there. It's a bit weird. Think of a way to go over something. Replace pieces and oh, is that filter? No, that's not filter. Wrong. Replace. Can you do replace? Isn't replace a thing? The replace method? Hey, Earth, thanks for following. I think replace is a thing. Right. Can't I just replace it? Can I do replace? Replace is a thing. I knew it. Returns a new string with some or all matches, but I don't think it works. Oh, yes? Okay, maybe. And it says that the pattern can be a string or a regular expression, and the replacement can be a string or a function. Oh, so we're going to have like two things in the replace, I believe. Yeah, so this versus this. Regex and ferret. Hell yeah. Go with my cut. My gut doesn't know how to code. Okay, we're going to split based on each number, so we're not going to put any space here. Then we're going to say map where we're going to say given the element, if the element is less than 5, string dot replace. Wait, hold up. Wait a second. Yeah, wait. Yes. E to 0. Else, this may work. This could also probably not work because that would be my life. Hello? Else, wrong. 1. Say, return 1. And then we're going to set this let. Can I say new string, or are you going to all get mad at me for that? New string. And then we will say new string dot join. Maybe? Alright, now I'm going to look at what y'all are saying. Just return, it's how mapping works. Map already does it. Hold up, what? What? What do you mean? No, because I made it into an array. It's an array method. It's an array method, yeah. Badass has been busy. Hey, Lasagna, thanks for following. Okay, so you're saying I could just say 0 and 1. Like that, maybe. Maybe. Fuck us, it didn't work. Oh, we have to do 2 string? But didn't we, it's because we split it, we went through it. Didn't we make it a string when we joined it? But it's undefined. Oh, I didn't return it, y'all. Here I was saying, make sure you return it earlier. Doesn't return it. Doesn't return it. Thanks, self. Oh, well, you know, it's not glitching, but it's also wrong. So there's that. You need to return 0 and 1, not O. Oh. Thank you much. Thank you much. Still doesn't work, though. It would tell us. Sus? It's just 4 projects. Take care of yourself. Get rid of the curly... Wait, what? Why would we get rid of the curly brackets? Why does that make sense? New string, setting it equal to that, where we're splitting the string based on each character. We're mapping through. We're saying each little character, if it is less than 5, make it 0, I guess? Or do I have to say, Araz is someone who hangs out here all the time? Or do we have to say this? Or what do you mean, Chronic? We're gonna try this really quick. See, that works for me. But we gotta... Uh-oh, this isn't gonna work for me because the run JS is really weird and like erases stuff if you put it afterwards. Yikes. Big yikes. It didn't work. Motherfucker. Not sure, but in arrow functions you put curly brackets and... Wait. Oh yeah, you do just do one, huh? Smart. Still not working, but smart. We don't want the curly brackets? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. We did it. So yeah, I forgot that you don't do the curly bracket for that. Good for me. And we're just reassigning, so just one equal sign. Thank you, yes. Wow, 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 wow. It was definitely a wee effort. It struggled a little bit with that 5th try. And guess what? You don't need equal signs, just 0 and 1? What if I like them? Fine, be right. Okay. Okay. I gotta copy this because it keeps changing. Let's go through this again. We want to turn all the numbers that are below 5 to 0 and all the numbers that are above 5 to 1. Okay? I wish it was the first try. We didn't need the curly braces because it was an arrow function. Beyond that, I'm not really sure. Araz could tell you. So we want to do that. We're going to do a function which is fake bin. We take in a string. This is a string the whole time, not just a bunch of numbers. We set it equal to a new variable. Hey Manuel, thanks for following. We set the new string, the new variable, into the old string, which we split up each element at a time, which then we map through the whole array. Hey Seku, thanks for following. We map through the whole array, so we're grabbing each element at a time. We're saying that element, if that number element is like less than 5, return a 0, or else you return a 1. Then after you do that, you have to return the new string, but you got to put it all together. But it isn't, I used an arrow function. Okay, but I was just thinking while I was explaining this to myself, removing the curly braces basically tells the function to return the one item in the function. Shorthand. All right, I have a question for y'all that I was just thinking. So you know how all these are numbers, but these are all string numbers. So why does this work? Because I'm saying if it's less than 5, it shouldn't even be comparable because it's a string, not a number. Anyone know what's up with that? Coercion. Because JavaScript, that's the question. Going to anger a lot of people with that question. Yo, I just was asking, is this a big thing Did I just like stumble upon like a what is the thing that people say in English, like a bomb or something? JavaScript compares it automatically. Yeah, but the string and the numbers aren't the same type. Even if it's like a string of 5, it's not equal to 5. But maybe it just is. It is stringly typed though. They're still strings. Types in JavaScript are nightmare has been a point of contention forever. Wow. So maybe the computer is just like, yeah, I see that that's a string 5, but I know what that means. Is that what happens? Where am I doing the type conversion? If you don't want to make unnecessary bugs, you would try to convert the types first, then do the comparison. They're the same key code, and that's what it uses. Strongly typed. Some operators mutate the type. Wait, are you saying that this, since this is next to this, it makes it a number? When using the less than operand, specifically, JavaScript attempts to convert non-numeric types to numeric values. Automatic type conversion. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Like the minus sign makes strings into integers. Y'all learning. I had no idea. This is a good thing I asked this. This is a good thing we asked. I like that we asked. Thank you for the explanation. Let's turn it in. Hello? Hello? Wait, I think I just copied that again. Wait a second. Hello? Copy. I meant to do copy, y'all. Sorry. Right, alright. You just came here. Can I explain what the issue is? You want me to explain the problem or what we were just talking about? It's good for cases like this, but terrible for some other cases, like accidentally comparing dates as strings and stuff like that. Interesting. Whole breakdown about what will get converted based on operands. Like if they're both strings, it compares the characters based on their Unicode values. Hey, Curtis. I'm using your little this trick that I saw you do today. I'm using it. From MDN, alert string 2 is greater than 1 is true. String 2 becomes number 2. Alert 0, 1 equal to 1, which is true because string 0, 1 becomes a 1. Oh, wow, learning. Yikes, you only know C++, and that would have been a big no-no. Question, were those the biggest headphones you could find, or could I have gone bigger? I wanted to do like this big, but I thought that might be like a little much. So. No, actually, I just wanted one where I had a mic, and these were the cheapest, so yeah. Gotta love languages where they don't have strong types. Bugs get born faster than you typing. Love that for us. Yes. Nice. Very good. How are we feeling about that? Did that make sense? Am I having a good day? Hell yeah. I'm hanging out with y'all. It's always a good day when I stream with y'all. Drive-through mic. Hello, can I take your order, please? You want another Code Wars? Okay. Sorry, I bonked it. Sorry. Sorry for the bonk. Wears giant headphones, turns head, and hits monitor. Yes. Okay, any questions before we take a break? Bonk sounds like honk, like a goose. That's what I say. We will. 21 seconds. And S6 said we're watching a Parrot video, so fuck yeah. Headphones are awesome, also doing great coding. The question is about how it's comparing strings and numbers was great. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad that you're not like, wow, she doesn't know how to do this. Because, I mean, that's true, but I can't. Holy shit, that is so loud. Oh my god, okay. Get that cone out of my face. That's a good movie. Okay, I'm really excited to show y'all this video. YouTube, gotcha the parrot. This is the parrot that says bed rat. But this is the video we're gonna watch because this is the second best one. We did get new emotes, but just the bird ones we've had. Were you there when we got those? Okay, let's watch this fantastic video. Let me pause our music really quick. Let me turn up the sound because you will want to hear this. I will want to hear this. Everyone will want to hear this.
Who's in your bathroom?
See ya, Barn Code. Good luck. Thanks for hanging out.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Who's in there?
It gets better.
Say no, no. What was that?
I just the water to
What was that?
the water to
My hairbrush.
I just used to watch him. I just raised the morning. I just raised him.
It's a hairbrush.
I know. I just put it drop in line.
Sassy.
I just took water.
They should train it to say that.
I
Ridiculous.
just took water. I just took water down. I just put it in.
Just stick it under the door.
Not loud.
They get loud.
I just water.
I may have that partially memorized. I really like quoting, "It's surprised me. There's a reason why it's evil." Control the boy now. Also, like, that bird knew what the bathroom was. Now we're talking about it, Curtis. It knew what the bathroom was, and it threatened to get loud. Like, smart, right? Right to go. Holy shit. Was that not your favorite video you just ever watched of all time? Yes. Except for the ones we watched yesterday. I like the original, the bed rat, a little bit more, but this one's my second favorite. So yeah. They weren't picking sentences randomly. This really has a context. Honestly, they probably just like interpreted the bird and maybe it didn't actually say that, but I like to believe that it's really intelligent and it deliberately said those things, so. Hey, Brady, thanks for following. If I missed anyone follows, thank you. Hello, where's my mouse? Hello? Let's turn the music back on. I'm a birdie-o. Professional bird interpreter, do it, please. Can you hear the music at all? Maybe. Wait, tell me when you hear the music. You still can't hear it? Oh, okay. My little, the little sound alerts have messed me all up because I used to just turn everything down, but now I can't turn everything down. I have to turn the music down, but then this makes really loud noises, and it's just so I don't know. It's a lot of lag. I'm sorry to hear that. I wish I could change it. Apparently when you get to be partner, you can stream at like lower settings or something. Or maybe you can now, I don't know. Okay, one last coding challenge before y'all head out to have a party. So happy, so wow, so very yes. Much wow. Alright, given an array of integers, return an array where the first element is the count of the count of positive numbers and the second element is a sum of negative numbers. 0 is neither positive or negative. Ooh. Political. Can you hear the music? I'm running with Streamlabs OBS. If the input is an empty array or null, return an empty array. Right, I shared it in chat for y'all if you want to code along. Again, don't tell me how to do it yet. I'll ask for help when I struggle, because I will. But we need to struggle to learn, right? Well, I needed to grab all of it, and I got all of it except for that G. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Hamdi, what up? What up? How you doing? Okay. So, they gave us some parameters. They said if the input is empty or null, return empty array. Okay. Then are we ever not given integers, strings, special characters? 0 is not positive, not negative. Political. Wait a second, where's our little this? There you go. It should give us, it wants us to return an array with 2 elements, where the first is how many positive numbers and the second is how many, or the first is how many positive numbers there were in there, and the second is the sum of the negative numbers. Those are not the same thing. First element is count of posnums. Second is sum of negative nums. It's very tricky. Tricky. Okay, let's do some examples. Console.log. Tricky array. I did just do that. So they gave us this. It only takes in one parameter, BT dubs. And that should return this. And because this is complex, I'm not going to do any more examples because, like, what? The array of tricks. Alright. Make an array that takes in JK. Make a function that takes in an array. Let's make it function tricky array. Then we want it to say, it needs to iterate through the array and say, is the number less than or greater than 0? Okay. I feel like I'm kind of understanding what y'all are saying. I feel like this is pretty tricky, hence, you know, the tricky array part, but... So we want to go through array, See if number is greater than 0 or less than 0. Do we want to like make 2 separate arrays? I think so, but also like, nah. Tricky. Tricky. And then in theory, it's not needed. Well, where's my brain at? How do you do it? Because if this is, yeah, so we're just doing Codewars up until the party class, and then people will head over to the party class, and then I will be streaming how to learn, or learning apostrophe CMS. Hey, Brown, thanks for the follow. Here you go. Here you go. This is pretty tricky. I'm at a little bit of an impasse. We want to make a new array, right? Make one array for the positive numbers and another variable to save the sum of the negative numbers. And then return them both in one array. Wow. Would I have come up with that myself? No. Need to iterate through an array and return it based on a condition. Does that ring a bell? Well, mapping. Have 2 sum variables on for positive values. Sum variables? And for negative? One isn't a sum though. One is... Oh. You know, the count plus thing is pretty tricksy. Oh, so you like set a variable equal to count and then like... I don't know. Filter gets rid of the negatives or the positive depending on the depending on the condition though, right? So we need to sum positives and put in the first index. No, we need to count positives, so how many positive numbers there are, put in the first index, and then sum the negatives and put it in the second. I mean, I think the less than or equal to, or like the less than versus the greater than with the 0 would work. Flyer, I don't know. Yeah. I'm overwhelmed. I don't think y'all are saying the same thing. Scream. Bro. Oh, actually. This is just, I copied what I said. Much happening. Wow. Do I have my screaming pillow? I have my screaming shirt. Oh, sorry, bonking. I can't do it. It's not working for me. No, I don't. If else. Wow. Hey, Nima. Thanks for follow. Okay, I am confused. Okay, you're right. Okay. Okay. So, maybe we'll do the make 2 arrays, one via filter. Wait, no, make 1 array via filter that just has all the negative numbers. Sorry, I'm deliberately not looking at chat right now so I can like brain, you know? And then we're going to say if OG array element is greater than 0. Okay, wait a second, we gotta go back. Hello? Make a count variable. Add plus, oops, hello, +1 to count variable. Let me move this up here. Hello? Hello. Wait. Confused. So then we are going to push count well, they would be in the wrong direction then. Oh, we got a drink up in here. Hello? Water? Oh, it's right here on my table. Filter the positives and get the length. I'm gonna try this first just because I got this far. We gotta finish this in 10 minutes. Okay. Push count to array, but that's gonna be the wrong direction and we'll figure that out when we get there. Okay. Let's see how this works. Let count. And we're gonna say array dot what? Wait. Map given, oops, hello. Given a variable e. Stop it. Given a variable e, if e is less than 0, wait a second, if e is less than 0, that's negative, then okay, we're gonna do this. If e is greater than 0, count +1. I think I need to maybe say 0, count +1. Else, no, maybe I just do that. Thanks, Ghibli. You see nothing wrong with a lovely for loop? Okay. I don't know if I need to do a second condition, because that's all we want with that. If it's, well, I guess I could say if it's negative, then do, couldn't we say e? Could I do that? No. I shouldn't do the E plus equals. Count plus E? No, but we don't want the count. We want the negative. Because, so the first one is if it's like we want to increase the count plus 1, but if it's not greater than 0, if it's a negative number, we want to sum it. Right, so this is saying if it is greater than 0, then add 1 to the count. If it is less than 0, I'm attempting to say then add that stuff together. I need a sum variable first. Okay, let's do a sum variable. Let sum equals, let sum. Like that? Probably would work a deal, but I got like 50 people who were like, do this and this and this and this, and I got overwhelmed. So this is where we're at right now. So that's gonna map through. That's gonna give us, oh, why do we have to reverse it? I'm not really sure why we have to do it in this direction, but so far this would give us, it's adding to count, it's adding to sum, and then we probably want to make a new array. Let new array equal count sum. Could I do that? And I could return new array? Thanks, Wa. This could work, maybe. It could also not work. We could see. Let's see. I'm a little nervous. This was a lot. It was a lot. Okay. It's okay. Fuck me, it didn't work. Wait, why are we getting 2 up in here? Oh, it's because I got it wrong. Duh. Duh. Count plus 1 is wrong? Alright, so what did I do? I feel like count plus 1 makes sense. Why is it wrong? But do I have to let the new array equal 0? I have to let the sum be 0? Like it has to be 0? Plus equals 1? Oh yeah, the count plus plus is I think what I was thinking. Oh, it broke. We broke. Break. It hated it. It was like, wrong. Wait a second. It's telling me. We did, baby. We did. Just plus plus, no 1. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Hello? Wait a second. Hello? I don't know. I copied that. It could have been done. Whoa. We did the count plus plus. It hated it. It was angry at us. It was mad. No space? Like, oh, you know what? You're probably right. Nope. I'm doing pretty good, Wingy. How are you doing? I did break it again. I'm doing decently okay. This is a very confused wow, me. I am. Hey kiddo, thanks for following. I'm quite confused. It's okay. Alright, what is up here? So this should be saying, given an array, we're gonna map through. So let's say we have the 1. The 1 is like, okay, is 1 greater than 0? Yes, so add 1 to the count, so that should be 1. Then it should go down to the 2. It says, is 2 greater than 0? Yes, so add another 1, so that should be 2, etc., etc. Oh, I don't want to add the sum each time I iterate, huh? I pasted it wrong? Hello? Oh, I didn't, I got rid of this, I think, somehow. Worked! My eyes are feeling good. Wow, 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 wow. Also, hey, Mohammed. I'm doing a lot better now that we just fixed this tricky-ass thingamajigger. Okay, y'all. Yeah. We're going to explain it. I'm going to send y'all over with a raid. The rest of you who don't want to go raid, learn with Leon's class, and go to a Microsoft sponsored stream, you can hang out with me. But let's do this really quick. Okay, so we want to have a function that takes an array. Then we're going to make two variables. We're going to have count because we want count in the end, and we want a sum in the end. Count of how many positive numbers there are, sum of all of the negative numbers. So we set them equal to 0 primarily. Then we map through the array. We say, given an element in the array, if the element is greater than 0, add 1 to the count. So every time it is greater than 0, it will, I'm like pointing to my screen, it will make the count go up by 1. Yes, Microsoft sponsored stream, thank you. I do need to check if it was null or empty, huh? Maybe we'll do that afterwards. Just gotta go through this real quick. Just really quick. I do need to do that though. If it is not greater than 0, then you are going to add however much it is to the sum. Then at the bottom, we have a new array, and in it we're putting the variables of count and sum, and we return it. Okay? Wait, so the null or empty? Not screen pillows. Thank you for that. What do you mean? That's totally fine. I'm gonna send y'all. Oh yeah, let's go raid right now. Let's raid with Leon. All right, all y'all who want to hang out here, hang out. But whoever wants to go to Learn with Leon stream and go to class and learn about GitHub, you can go. I'm gonna stay here and keep streaming though. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. But you know what that does? That gets rid of my little I don't see my chat anymore. Shit, y'all. Where's my chat? Fuck. You know what? You know what? I'm thinking I need to end this and then restart, okay? Okay, we'll be back.